In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort your Gmail inbox by attachment size. This can be a handy method to declutter your email and manage your storage space more efficiently, especially if you're trying to avoid exceeding your storage limit on Gmail. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're signed in, you'll see the familiar interface with all your emails neatly stacked in your inbox. Now, Gmail doesn't offer a direct sort filter for attachment sizes. However, we have a nifty trick using Gmail's search functionality that easily allows us to achieve our goal. Let's start by locating the search bar at the top of your Gmail interface. In this search bar, you can enter various types of queries to narrow down your emails. For our purpose, you'll want to type in a specific command. Type the command size followed by the size you want to search through. For instance, if you're looking to view emails with attachments that are larger than 5 megabytes, you would type size 5000000. Remember that the size is in bytes, so if you know the size in megabytes, you'll need to multiply that number by 1 million to convert it. After typing this command in your search bar, hit enter. Gmail will now filter and display emails that include attachments with the approximate size you specified or larger. This is a really efficient way of pinpointing larger files that might be eating up your storage space unnecessarily. To refine your search results further, you can combine this command with other search filters. For example, if you're looking for large attachments received from a specific contact, you can add from and then the email address within the same search query. This way, it combines both the size constraint and the sender filter to tailor your results more precisely. Similarly, you can include a date range using the after and before commands if you want to find large attachments within a specific time frame. Once you have your search results, go through the emails to determine which attachments you no longer need. You may forward important information to another address or download essential attachments. Then, feel free to delete the unnecessary emails to free up space effectively. After cleaning up your inbox, remember to empty the trash, as deleted emails will continue to take up space until thoroughly removed. Go to the trash folder in your sidebar, and you'll notice an option to empty trash now. Click this, and it will permanently delete those unwanted emails from your storage. Sorting your Gmail inbox by attachment size is an efficient way to manage your space, ensuring you always have room for new and important emails. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need to do another round of inbox cleanup. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on inbox management.